stop paying $60, $20 a month for AI models. I'm about to save you like $60 a month. What if I told you there is a completely legal and free website where you can use the absolute most powerful AI models in the world? And I mean the real ones: ChatGPT for all, Claude 3.5 Sonnet, and even Claude Opus, Gemini 1.5 Pro, along with Gemini 2.5 Pro as well, without spending a single dime. No free trials, no credit cards, no real limits where it tells you to come back in 3 hours. Today I'm showing you a secret cheat code for the internet. It's a tool that AI researchers use, but today we are going to use it to get unlimited free access to the best AI models on the planet. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, so the website is called Arena.ai. Now, when you first open this up, it doesn't look like AI chatbot. It doesn't look like ChatGPT, because this site was actually built to be a free tool for us to use. It was built by researchers as a leaderboard to rank which AI is actually the smartest. But here is the genius part. To rank these AIs, they need humans to test them. And to test them, they have to let us to use them for free, because nobody's going to go into a website and pay to test some AI models. Now, when you say testing AI models, we don't have to do a lot of things. You just have to click one button every little while, like half an hour or so, just to support them. But you could not do that as well if you want. So just think about it. Google, OpenAI, Anthropic, Perplexity, Quen, all those AI models. In this place, we could use unlimited free. And they don't want the number one place on this leaderboard. So they just give this website access to the absolute best and most expensive models. And so we get to just use them for free by making an account. Now, I've been this website for a long time, and this has evolved. For the first few days this website has started, it was nothing, but now it has evolved to something much, much more bigger. So, let's get right in on how to use this website. Now, there are tons of functionalities you could do. Over here, you could select the auto mode, in which it will select one of these to do. Now let's turn it off right now. And over here we could select deep search or web search, and then web search models will search the web to provide response. Over here we could click on generate images. Over here we could build apps and websites. Now, I won't recommend building the backend and adding secrets and other integrations to this, because this is not a very, developed development environment. But what I would recommend is that using Claude Opus to generate the front-end and basic logic of the website, and then export it to something like Google Anti-Gravity to do the backend for you. Over here, you could generate videos as well. And this is basically all free. Or when you first come to this website, it'll say log in, sign up, just the drills, just sign up, and then you'll be met with this screen. Now let's get right in on how to use them. There are 3 main modes, so without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so now how do we actually use this to do things that we want? Where do we select the models? Well, there are 3 main features, one called the battle mode, the other the direct chat, and the other side by side. Now, if you want to do them a favor, then just select battle mode, type in anything, just type in hi. Over here, battle mode is selected, type hi and enter, and then assistant A and assistant B will generate a response. It will not show us the AI model, and after it generated a response, we could choose which is good, if they're both good or they're both bad. Right now I'm just going with this one, I don't know why. And then it will show us the models, what model generated. So the Ember AI model did this and Claude Sonnet did this. Now, I'm pretty sure that you don't want to see, you definitely want to know which AI you're chatting to, and you don't want to take guesses. So if you want to do that, then go ahead and click on this button to create a new chat. And then you'll come back to this page. And what you could do is select this drop down menu over here and then select direct chat. This is simply too much powerful. Now if we open the second drop down menu that pops up, boom, all these models, vision models, what's this, file models, image, everything, text, these are text, and max means the intelligently routes you to the most capable model for your specific prompt with latency in mind. That means max, let's take it as a combination of all of these available models. Now just look, okay, let me just type in Claude Opus 4.6 thinking. Let me just select that and say hi. Let's see, who are you? I don't know, I'm just thinking things up. Hi, I'm Claude, an AI assistant made by Anthropic. I'm here to help with questions, have conversations, brainstorm ideas, write, analyze information, etc. Now, what we could do here is that we could always select this, and we have code models. That means models that does best in coding. So now what you could do is you could select generate images. Let's do that, and it'll tell you to start a new chat. So we will. And now image is selected from it. You could always close it. Let's go select an image, and then we could go with battle mode, or we could go with direct. Now the other one is side by side image. You could select two AI models to battle each other. Okay, so you could select one you like from here, but for now I'm gonna go with direct. So let's see, what's the most priciest image generation model around? I personally don't know because I use this all the time to generate images. Let's go with this ChatGPT image latest high fidelity. Yeah, this sounds good. Now let's go type in something, a beautiful image of a beach with no people. Hit enter. Okay, what seems to be the problem? A beautiful image of a tree. I can't send it. I think there's a problem. Let me select another model. No. I don't know why. Maybe if I refreshed. Yeah. If there's a cache issue, you'll not have it. Now I don't want to scroll down and find that out. Here it is. And can't send it to that model. I wonder why. How about Quen image edit? Not that too. Gemini Flash? Oh, you can. I think that. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell. Sometimes in LLM Arena, models are under excessive consumption, so you just might not be able to use them. Let's go with Flash. Meanwhile, I'll walk you through the other models. Gemini 3 Pro image preview. Okay, we have Flux. All the Flux models are available every time I've tested them. And there is a limit for C-Dream. I don't know why, but there's a limit for C-Dream. As you can see, this is using Nano Banana 2, the latest image generation model by Google. By far the best from what I have done. Oh yeah, and if you have that problem where you're trying to generate posts and thumbnails using Gemini or Nano Banana, well, and then it generates those neon thumbnails that people will immediately look away. Well, I have a solution for that, and I'll be making a video in the future. As you can see, a beautiful image. Now let's go make a new chat, and then there are the things such as image build apps. Okay, so this is currently in Max. Let's go to brand new chat. We need to go to battle mode to try video. I mean, why not? They're giving away all these models for free. At least you gotta try battle mode to do the video. Previously, the only way you could do video was from their Discord server, but they updated to be available here only for the battle mode. So let's go type in something, an image of a beach with no people, and then it'll generate the videos. Now all we have to do is just wait, and as you could see, this is very simple, and this could save you a lot of money. So now let's just wait a couple of minutes until this is done. But for you, fortunately, you could skip it with the time lapse, but I don't have the privilege of that. So let's wait. Now this has taken an awfully long time. Let me try refreshing. I don't know, I said image. Oh, this is done. This is done. See, refreshing worked. I said image, and probably this model is one of the best, and it's probably thinking, what the heck did the user just type into me? I'm a video generation model. Why the heck did he type in image? Is he crazy? Something like that. He's probably arguing, well, he already did the job. Let's see. I mean, for video generation, you can go with this. And I mean, you could always put it to camera and cut this part out. That comes in every video. So, we gotta wait until this dude finishes. But I don't think I have the time. Yeah, let's move on. He'll finish eventually. Let's go explore the other features. Now we have code. Yeah, literal code. Could just direct chat. Yeah, Claude Opus, that's the best one. 3D special. Neon bullet dodge. Pre-prompt. You have reached your rate limit. Okay, well, that was embarrassing. Well, do you know why? Before you say anything to me, it says, please try again in 28 minutes. Okay? And that's something you won't see in Gemini or Claude. They'll say, please try again in 5, 6, or 7 hours. Okay? First, let me get that through. Second of all, I have used this model, Claude Opus 4.6 Thinking, totally 25 times this day to make some websites. Okay? Just for fun and for teaching purposes, I have used this model. That is why I got this. Okay? You could basically use it unlimited. Now, before you start anything, there is a catch. Okay? Now, I mean, look. When you code, it says clone. Literally, you could clone TikTok feed, Instagram feed, Discord server, whatever you want. Okay? And there's so much features that you could do. Search anything, but this catch. Okay? Now, you wouldn't think that a thing like this, a tool like this would come of no cost. Well, I promise it is completely free, like I said, but there's one massive rule in this. You need to know before you start to do anything. Because remember at the start I said that this is a research website? Well, yeah. Those AI companies that gave their models access to this website has access to every single one of your chats. So make sure you make them respectful and you don't have the privacy of your chats. They will look at your chats. They will see what the models are getting wrong, and they will use all of that data to train their models and to improve them. Okay? So this is the golden rule. Do not push your passwords. Do not put your personal details or
any stuff like that, okay? No financial stuff, no credit card details, anything, okay? Because I wouldn't be there if you do it, okay? So that is another reason why you should every time watch a video till the end, because sometimes, well, the most important thing you gotta say the end. Otherwise, you won't have flow. So, if you watch it this far, well, congratulations, you won't get busted. But if you didn't, well, you wouldn't be watching this, so whatever. So, thank you for watching this video, and with that, I'm signing out. Name's Mintini, hope you like and subscribe. You don't know what that means to me, it really means a lot. I started this channel a couple of weeks ago, and I hope to bring it to 1,000, and then I'm gonna do live streams on free courses, okay, people? Oh yeah, one more thing. I'm 13, by the way. Don't get intimidated by that factor. So, goodbye. See you again next time, which won't be long, I promise.